Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check purchase date of your iPhone using serial number. So what you want to do is pretty simple, but before I begin, subscribe to the channel, it helps me out a lot. So you want to go to settings, then you want to go to general, then you want to go to about, and you have your serial number right over here. From there, you want to exit it and you want to go to checkcoverage.apple.com. Once you are here, you will enter your serial number over here and type in the thing so that they know you're not a bot. Click on this blue button that tells you send. As you can see, I bought this iPhone in September 2022. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.